How to fix touchpad not working on Windows 11. Let's get started. First of all, check if touchpad is enabled. For that, launch settings. At the top left, you're gonna find this search bar. Over there, type in touchpad and then search for it. Now here, you're gonna find this option touch keyboard. Click on that and make sure it is enabled. Use external mouse. Since your touchpad is not working, you'll need to plug in to a USB mouse or use a Bluetooth one for now. Next, access mouse properties. For that, close this and search for main.cpl, then press enter. This will open up mouse properties. Look for a tab related to your touchpad, like E-Lane, ThinkPad, or Synaptics, and make sure the touchpad is enabled here too. Next up, update touchpad driver. Right-click on the Start menu, choose Device Manager, expand Mice and other pointing devices. Find the touchpad driver, right-click on it and go to Properties. Under the Driver tab, click Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Next, run Windows Troubleshooter. For that, launch Settings, navigate to the System option, head over to the option Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters, scroll down and find Keyboard, then hit Run for it. This can help resolve input issues that sometimes affect your touchpad too. Once all steps are done, go ahead and restart your computer. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your touchpad should work. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.